Hey everyone, welcome back. So when I say the word Apple, and I know this video is not about Apple, this video is about Nio, but when I say the word Apple, what comes to your mind? I bet it's not just fruit, but maybe iPhone or a white logo or a beautiful computer. See, Steve Jobs was a genius as he changed the name associated with the most common fruit in our brain with iPhone, iPads, and many things Apple is. Now, when I say the word Nio, what comes to your mind? Maybe a logo like this, or China, or something else. It doesn't spark the same emotion because Nio is not Apple. But they are trying hard to become Apple of EVs. So Nio not only do cars, but it has created a lifestyle brand so it can connect with the owners at a much deeper level. In this video, let's explore together why I feel Nio is forming a base and why I feel it'll explode in the coming months. But before, let's play a little game. It'll be very fun to see what all or everyone who's watching the video thinks about the Nio price target in 2023. Please drop a comment and share what you think of Nio at the stock price will be in 2023, and do it now because I have a little trade idea that I'm going to be mentioning at the end of the video, which is all going to make sense once you watch this video and why I asked you to put that price target. So this article came in November of 2020 that Nio Stock is going to 150. Well, everything was going to the moon at that time, so we have not yet quite seen 150 yet, but the news that was driving the price target is kind of getting real. But let's start from the beginning. So HSBC recently upgraded Nio, and they said that they can actually see Nio rally 50%. And the reason could be that Nio's Power Day or President's $2.3 billion infrastructure plan or Nio's international expansion, or because in second quarter of 2021, Nio reported that it delivered 21,896 vehicles, a new quarterly record representing an increase of 111.9% year over year. As of June 30th, Nio cumulative deliveries of this time has reached 117,000. To be exact, actually 117,597. Shrugging off the chip shortages, production issues, and all other manufacturing difficulties on the side. That's really a bullish sign for a young company like Nio. So now I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you exactly what all is happening inside Nio and how I feel that stock is going to react in the coming months. Again, my opinion only, entertainment purposes only. Okay. Here's my screen. So as I mentioned that, HSBC said that the stock could rally 50% right here because of the Power Day or Biden's plan. We don't know what the reason is, of course, and one of the main reasons I think is deliveries and how they are really chugging along and proving everybody that they can actually manufacture cars with all the difficulties. But here's what's happening really in Nio. So Nio released that they plan to add 3,700 battery stations by 2025 in world's largest auto market. Nio is actually offering their infrastructure to other EV manufacturing companies. So that article alone makes me believe that Nio is going to be an infrastructure company. Not just an EV company, an infrastructure company that is going to produce EVs like Tesla is. Tesla is an AI company. Tesla is not a car company. They produce EVs, yes, but in the back end, they're actually gearing up to be the best software company or best AI company in the world. And China is and will remain one of the most important market for EVs. But in my opinion, I do not agree with the fact or with the article that I have read that for any EV company to be successful, they should be in China. I don't believe that. I don't think that's a necessity. But what I do believe is that China is going to serve as a role model for other companies to adapt and adopt EVs. So that is why China is really important. But it doesn't mean that if the company is not in China, it's going to fail. No. But what Chinese company have with them is the backing of the Chinese government like Nio has, and also 1.3 billion people supporting the transformation and the revolution of EVs. And that is why I feel that Nio is sitting at such a sweet spot. So now let's move on to something really cool that I found out for this research and this video that is going to change your view and where you will see Nio in the next few years. So Nio has been flexing its muscle and kind of looking to expand in Europe very aggressively. And of course, I'm sure you have read the articles about how Nio is going to expand in China. Now, I have some data and research that is going to blow your mind and make you believe that Nio is going to explode in the very short term. Now, whenever I'm investing in a company, I do a whole 360 kind of research. I just don't look at the website of the company or the product that they're making, but I actually study the people that they're hiring. So I go on LinkedIn, I do the job search they have open or the kind of people that are working there, because that tells you a lot about the company or where the company is headed. So when I went on LinkedIn, there are a couple of job openings that I saw. One that kind of sparked the most interest for me was this right here that says IT support specialist, but that's not the point. The position is not the point. The point is in Germany. Along with that, there was not one but multiple postings in Germany, and one of the most interesting posting that I found was General Manager of Nio Germany. But this is not alone. If you look at the description, this is what it says. Nio is looking for general manager to lead its business development in selected country. Now pay attention here. They are mentioning selected country. Even though it's posted in Germany, they are not mentioning Germany here. Why? I do that. Whenever I'm posting, and if I have to post in multiple locations, I will not put the location, because then I have to go and change the job description again and again. So what I do is I put a blanket statement that, hey, we are looking to hire general manager in the selected country. That could be anything. So this tells me that Nio is simultaneously looking to expand in many different areas of Europe. Nio is Germany, we know, United Kingdom, Netherlands. So just in a short search, I could find that Nio is kind of interested in opening their branch or their office in all these countries. So we know that Nio is now looking to expand aggressively in the European market. But this is not it. There is more interesting news that's coming out of Nio. So one of the most daring things that Elon Musk did, of course, we know that he's a genius engineer, but what he did was he made a factory in Berlin, in Germany. That's a stomping ground of ICE cars, of traditional automakers. He went on their face and put up a factory which is going to produce as many as 2 million cars a year. That's like a slap in the face for those automakers that, look, it's a new company, EVs are new, and I'm here in your stomping ground, in your battleground, and I'm opening a factory. So Nio is kind of following the same path. Because Nio knows that how important Tesla is for the EV world, they want to prove it at Tesla's stomping ground. So look what I found. Nio has this multiple jobs open in San Jose, California, but one of the better, or I would say more interesting job opening that I found was right here. So they are hiring senior system architect. And look what this system architect will be responsible for. We are looking for an experienced system architect who will be responsible for the system architecture of multi-sensor fusion for autonomous driving. So Nio is coming in Tesla's backyard, and they want to prove, because they know that if they want to compete with Tesla, they have to do it here. So I'm really excited. I'm really bullish, and I really would like to see where Nio takes it from here. Now, initially when I asked you when I started the video that, hey, do me a favor, comment the price target for Nio, and it was because of this. So I'm gonna share a trade idea with you guys. And of course, you know, this is my opinion only. I do this trade all the time, not just for Nio, but other companies, and I'll explain you the reason as well. So now that we have established a bull case for Nio, but how about us investors should react to that news, or how should we play that news? So I'll tell you what I'm doing and how I'm playing Nio, and this is for entertainment purposes only, my opinion only. Okay, so I'm sure you agree with me that Nio will be higher than what it is today by January 2023, because if you put everything aside, just by producing more cars, the stock price will be higher. And that is why I wanted you all to give me that Nio price target, because it's all going to make sense now. So one of the best ways to own a stock is to buy straight up, okay? There is no beating that. So I have the Nio stock that I had it for months now. I'm not saying that the trade that I'm doing is the best. No, what I'm saying is that owning a stock, just buy the stock, that's the best way. But there is another way that you can actually make money today on Nio stock for the future price prediction. So those are called cash covered puts, and I'm sure some of you already know it. But here's the kicker. So right now, if you think that Nio will be $50 by January 2023, you can sell one, again, I'm selling few, but you can sell one cash covered put. That means you need to have some money in your account to cover for that bet that you are going to place for January 2023 for $50. So If by January 2023, the stock is above $50, say 55, 60, 65, whatever the price is, you get to keep the money that you will get today, no question asked, and you are out and clear. Now, just to FYI, you can exit this trade at any time. You don't have to wait till January 2023. You can sold the put today, and tomorrow if Nio goes up 5 points, you will make the money, you can get out just in 2 months or a month or a week, whatever time. So you don't have to really hold that bet until January 2023. But the reason why I'm selling January 2023, that for some reason, if I were to keep it, the time decay is going to work in my favor. Now, I know I'm saying a lot, but to understand in simple words, so what I'm saying is that I'm betting that the Nio stock is going to be $50 by January 2023. Now, if the Nio stock doesn't hit $50, it hits say $40, $45, $30, I have to buy 100 shares of Nio for one contract, 100 shares of Nio at that price of $50. I have to, that's the bet I'm placing. But if the stock price is above $50, say if it's 52, 55, whatever the price is, above $50, then they don't call or my bet won't be called. I get to keep the money that I'm getting right now for that bet, and basically, goodbye, I don't own the share, but I own the money that they're giving me right now. So on your screen, I'm gonna show a little trade that I'm making for Nio for January 2023. And of course, I'm bullish, that's why I'm making this trade. So this is what I'm betting. I'm basically betting that by January 2023, Nio stock price will be $50 or more. And if it's $50 or more, then I don't get to buy the share. I will just get to keep the money that I'm doing. And I'm betting 10 contracts or 10 puts. So I'm getting $16,800 some today for this bet that I'm placing for January 2023. I can use this money to whatever or in whichever way I like. So that's why I like the trade, because I know Nio will be higher than $50. And next month, if Nio rallies, say 5 points, 4 points, I can actually get out of this trade. I can make maybe 3 grand, 4 grand, whatever money I make, and I can get out of the trade and I can do it again. So that's the beauty of selling puts. And especially when the market is so emotional right now, I would not do calls because I feel the theta decay or the time decay is going to kill the calls. So the best strategy right now, in my opinion, is A, you can buy the straight up shares, or you can sell the cash covered puts. So I hope I was able to provide you some value. And if you get anything out of the video, then please do me a favor, hit that like button, help to push this video out to more Nio lovers, and also help the channel. And consider subscribing so you don't miss an update, and make sure you hit the bell icon to get notified for future videos. Thank you so much. Love you all. Until next time, you all have a wonderful day.